Hi, this is a video demonstration of the Canon ZR50 MCA. All right, so let's talk about some of the accessories first. We've got a nice camera bag. This comes with 2 batteries and the charger. Comes with 2 tapes. One's already in there. And then we have the AV cable and the transfer kit. They connect, and then this goes in your computer, and then this part goes in the into the camera. It's got a little cover for the USB, and this is the software and instructions for that. All right, so let's move a little closer and look at the camera itself. Okay, we open up the door here. And we turn it on to playback. And I'm playing over something that was pre-recorded, and then I did a videotape earlier today outside, so we'll see what that looks like. This is a quick video demonstration of the Canon Camcorder ZR50 MCA. Let's go ahead and try and zoom in a little bit on the flowers here. Not too much. Let's go do a wider shot on the street. So, got the sun behind me. So that's a quick demo on the Canon Camcorder. Thank you. Okay, so that's what I shot earlier today. Let's go ahead and shut that. Now I want to go ahead and open up where the cassette goes. Size of the mini DV. Push right there, and then it does it all the rest by itself. Go ahead and set that. Underneath here, the yellow one right here is the AV cable that you would hook up the AV cord and then hook that up to the transfer cable. Comes with a lens cap. But all in all, it's a very well-working camera. Looks good, and that's our quick video demonstration. Thank you.